There is no limit to the extent to which we can break our work into disconnected fragments. But to achieve even a modest level of integration takes, if not genius, then at the very least, a good deal of systems thinking. Welcome to the Systems Thinker, a video series to help you know the whole, focus on the constraint, and reach your goal. Systems thinking is nothing if it is not a simile for integration. The more integrated our work, the better we're able to make sense of our systems and act in accordance with what is in the best interest of the whole. Once, there may have been a time in the heyday of implementing ERP systems when we could imagine that all the information necessary and sufficient for the effective running of our businesses could be accomplished using said ERP system. After all, it's in those three initials, ERP, Enterprise Resource Planning. But no one believes that anymore. So instead, there's specialized production, maintenance, project, and asset management systems. Then those for risk, investment, training, and people management. The list goes on as it includes marketing, sales, customer, and product management. What concerns me here is my domain of work management. We have a constraint-based operating philosophy that enables everyone to safely achieve more throughput at less cost and enjoy the material and personal rewards of doing it more productively. What we need in order to realize the benefit of this operating philosophy is for these disparate systems to integrate with each other. We must summon the world to step up a notch in process maturity, standardize our data, and lead the people in our teams to understand the why, the what, and the how of doing so. Integrated work management means we're empowered by real-time information to make decisions about constraints and what we can do to optimize the value we get from them. Integrated work management gives us the tactical agility to perform data-driven, prioritized work, transitioning seamlessly between silos and cost centers. Integrated work management tells us when it's time to invest in how much of what additional capacity to achieve any given business outcome. My course for systems thinkers explores how to approach the task of transitioning to integrated work management and contribute significantly to delivering consistently high-performance results over the long haul. To learn more and experience what I mean, click the link in the comments below.